Skelin. I can't believe meeting that one day in New York City led us to this moment on our wedding day. I don't expect marriage to be easy, but I do know in my heart that I wouldn't want to do this with anyone else. Where did you get that picture?
I searched every single corner. Rachel, I vow not just to love you, but to continue growing with you, learning from you and cherishing every single shared moment. Here's to a lifetime of gaming, concerts, movies, hikes, empathizing, and parenting our dogs. And also here's to a lifetime of facing challenges together, achieving dreams together, and loving each other when it isn't the easiest thing to do.
I love you guys. I'm happy to celebrate with you. So a toast to great people and beautiful, beautiful moments.
I wish you guys a happy journey, lots of love.
So, everybody, cheers to Rachell and Skelin.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love
as a symbol of my love
and my faithfulness to you.
and my faithfulness to you.
I give you this ring.
Does it fit?
Are you giving me the ring?
I give you this ring
Oh, sorry. I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love
as a symbol of my love
and my faithfulness to you.
and my faithfulness to you.
I'm really happy that you found a man that grounds you and loves you and shows up for you in the way that you do for all of the people that you love. Very happy for you.
I wanna see you all dressed up in white. Baby, I wanted this for as long as I know. 'Cause I wrote this song a long, long time ago.
Congratulations! We love you and we wish you the best.
Pick me up, cover me the darkest shade while I blow up your mind and we retrograde. Ride from daydreams, try justify making a love like this, and hold me in a fictional atmosphere till I hold you to your words till they disappear.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to present to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Rodriguez.